Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Keep the ones that heard you when you never said anything. Ika nga nila. Yun yung mga kaibigan natin eh. Pero minsan sila din ang dahilan kung bakit kailangan mo gumising ng maaga just to eat out.
Messenger audio.
So nung niyaya ako nila Dado to eat out later, ito yung sinagot ko. Hello pre. Ha? Rizal? Sige, let's go. Kaso nakalimutan ko na may pasok pala ako later. Alright, good morning guys. Tumawag yung friend ko na atat gumala. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Rizal. Samahan niyo kami, let's go. Ginigising na rin ako neto ang boy na to. Hi Mia, say hi to the vlog. Okay, so ligo muna. Wow, yes, bis na ako, let's go. And now it's the waiting game. Either ako yung hinihintay nila or ako yung maghihintay sa kanila. Biruin mo yun, nakakainip palang maghintay. And after 45 minutes of waiting, so ito yung reason kung bakit ayaw nilang pumasok dito. Good luck, white shoes. Gagi, makakasurvive ko ako dito. Dagat na yan eh. Uy, makakasurvive. Yay, survive. Sabi nila hindi daw sila papasok, pero nandun na sila. Ano ginagawa nila doon?
Ginagawa nila dito.
Ako magdadrive. Ako pala driver, pre. Saan tayo pupunta, pre?
Pare, wala.
Ribs.
Kababata sa kurba ka mo.
Kalimutan ko basta ribs. Boss ribs and steaks.
Oh, boss ribs and steaks.
Alam mo ba si Cheska sabi sa akin na, Ate Maika.
Ate Maika? Bakit Ate Maika?
Niloko niya ako.
Ate Maika!
Ate Maika, sa isang araw naman kumakatok ko. Nakalakis ko yun. Sabi niya, Mommy, I'm here. Open the door, please. Hindi ko siya pinapansin. Temay! Temay!
Ate May!
Ano ang bata mo? Hospital naman.
Okay, dito na kami sa Bob's and Ribs.
Mga double dead yung serve nila. Diyan kaya mura.
No, hindi mo hospital yan. Yung hospital ba yan?
Medics Hospital. Anong daan yun?
You got that?
Yummy, yummy. Sa mga kainan, hindi mawawala ang chismisan. Kaya kung gusto mong makimarites, go on and click on the description below to see our live video on my Facebook page. Isang click lang yan, oh, baka naman. Alright, so we're done eating dito sa Boss Ribs Chicken. Pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Coffee Rush. And so that wraps up our day. We ate, drank coffee, and nag-usap-usap about our plans in the future. Our time spent together was amazing. Kahit may shift later, alam mo naman, habol yan. Ikaw, anong kwento mo? Just comment down in the description below. So guys, we're going home na. It's already 6 PM. Meron pa kaming work. Medyo madami-dami na din tao at this time. It was a very fun day with the team, with the boys, with the girls.
Okay, for those na hindi pa nagsusubscribe sa channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you don't like the video and you don't want to see this anymore, hit the thumbs down button. Alright, subscribe, MotoTech Vlogs.